Request accepted. Prepare to install. Installation is starting. Hi there, this is MacroSoft Assist. If you want me to stay quiet, you can click on the little microphone icon. Okay, enough intro. Let's go on. Click on the active button to active. Type your email address in the email box and click on register button. Type the OTP in the OTP box and click on confirm button. Click on Create Administrator Account button. Give a name for your account and type the password. Type the OTP in the OTP box, then click on Create button. Now click on User Account button. Click on Create User Account button. Give a username and type the password. Type the administrator password in the administrator password box and select the account type. Click on Register Fingerprint icon to register fingerprint. After doing all, click on Create button to create the user account. Now click on Login button. Click on Login button. Select your user ID and type the password, then click on Login. Click on Login through fingerprint icon to start biometrics login system. Successfully login. Welcome to MacroSoft Lab. MacroSoft Inventory Manager is activating. Click on Request button to send user request. Request sent. Now click on Send OTP button to send OTP to your registered email address. Type the OTP in the OTP box and click on Accept Request button to accept the request. Request accepted. Looking forward to helping out.